husband, he gave up smoking, and when he gave up smoking, he got cancer. To the dentist, and on the way back, didn't the fucking wheel fall off? And I crashed, and I nearly went through the windscreen.
No
and
kidding.
everything. So it was a bit of trauma, you know.
Yeah.
So when they said it was the ball joint,
yeah, best to get it. I was looking there. I was like, how are you?
Paula.
How are you,
Good
Paula?
To meet you.
No worries,
oh,
man.
You're a star.
That's
Give a
all
hug.
good. Yeah, no worries, babe.
Oh, I tell you what.
Something different, isn't it?
Oh, thank you.
That's no worries, man. I looked on the MOT. It says it was the offside, the driver's side one, wasn't
this
it?
Side.
Passenger side.
Is it the driver's side?
Yeah, I think it's the driver's side on this one.
Come and speak to my husband if you wish.
That's all right.
I've cooked like a nice cup of tea or coffee.
Go on then, you talk me into it, babe.
Come on.
Do you know where the lock and wheel key is for this at all, Paul? Actually, it doesn't have one.
There's none.
Oh, what a winner.
Get them off.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, you had to get them knocked off.
Not to get them knocked off.
What a pain in the ass.
Oh, cost me a bomb.
Yeah, they're normally about 20 odd quid a wheel,
Yeah,
aren't they,
the
normally?
blessed bloke done it for me at the garage.
Well, that's not bad.
In Fossil at the time, because I needed a new tyre. And there was no lock and key.
Problem is, you take it somewhere and like someone loses it and they don't put it back in the bloody car. But anyway, right, let's get on with this. I'll get on with it.
What do you want?
Milk, 2 sugars. That's all right. I'll get on with it. Don't worry.
Thanks.
You got the key for it?
Of course I have,
Yeah, me chuck this behind. Hopefully, no one will bother me.
there you
But
go, mate.
yeah, I'll get on with it, babe. Just leave it with me. 2, yeah, go on then. Whatever's easier. Cheers, babe. Right, that's all we got today. We've got a little Ford Focus. Obviously, this video is a bit different. It's not going to be like one of my full-on instructional videos. Basically, got recommended this person to kind of give them a helping hand because obviously a bit of a charitable guy anyway. So they got an offside front ball joint knock-in or issue with it anyway. It's on the MOT. I'm going to do this for free for them. And obviously, as you can tell, Paula, lovely woman, we're going to sort this out for her. So stay tuned.
I've got some sort of nuts in the car, but what are
No,
they?
that'd be all right. That'd be all right. It's probably just spares, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Probably find it's just spares, but yeah, it'd be sound.
yeah,
I think you're the first. I think you're the first person to go on camera. To be fair with me, you know.
Really?
It's a bit of a. You're going to be a star now, babe. I like your lipstick, by the way.
I've worn it since I was 15. I don't know myself without it. I can't even drive without it.
No, really.
No, it's a thing in my head. When I was young, many moons ago,
Yeah.
myself just downtown, I bought this pink lipstick.
Yeah.
I've not, can't change it.
Do you know
No one
what?
knows me without it.
Same brand after all these years.
Yeah, well, the brand has changed and I've had to find it everywhere, you know, even in markets
No
I
kidding.
find it. I test it on my skin because I've got that Salem olive skin or whatever my mum said I was born with.
Yeah.
And I trust it on me and I think, grand, that'll do. I'm sure my lips are blue without it really because I smoke like a bloody trooper.
Do you know what? I've managed to quit smoking a few years ago. Do you know what to the vapes? It's no better for you, like.
My husband, he gave up smoking and when he gave up smoking he got cancer.
Typical, innit?
And then he hit the drink, bless him.
Yeah.
And now he's waiting on a liver.
Yikes, man.
But it's been 9 months dry.
Fair play to him.
Absolutely. And they said, well, the NHS, we won't talk about that. But
Yeah, well, the way that's going at the minute, trying to get the thing is,
they want to privatise it, don't they?
yes, it's the same. But it's like they keep selling off the sold. I thought the post office, BP. They're selling off all the national things, aren't they?
Everything. They did it years ago with the steel industry and
Yeah.
everything, didn't they?
Well, apparently they're closing. They're meant to be closing the last steel factory in the UK now. Apparently.
Going to China.
Yeah. What's that all about? Like industry is dying
Yeah, it's wrong, isn't it? It's terrible.
massively.
Anyway, and then all the parts, ain't it? It's
Yeah.
wrong, isn't it?
It's the same as like just car parts these days. Like from what I was paying before COVID, they've almost doubled now. You know, like genuinely almost doubled.
I want your business to really take off.
Yeah, no, I'm trying my best. I'm trying to get a bit of presence online and stuff as well.
I don't mind. Because I can see you're genuine and look at your lovely van.
It's not bad.
Honest, last year, I was supposed to get the ball joint for me, and so I'm getting it done tomorrow, Paul. I said, well, I was going to the dentist. I didn't have anything done at the dentist. It was just a check-up. And he said, we're getting it done tomorrow. I mean, he was, bless him, he was heavily on the drink.
Yeah.
And I thought, oh God, to myself. I knew I went to the dentist and on the way back, didn't the fucking wheel fall off? And I crashed and I nearly went through the windscreen.
No
and
kidding.
everything. So it was a bit of trauma, you know.
Yeah.
So when they said it was the ball joint,
Yeah, best to get it. Best to be. Well, what I'm doing is
safe than sorry.
Yeah, what I'm doing is I'm doing a full suspension arm on this because it's pointless doing the ball joint on these because otherwise you've got to cut them off. So I'm just going to do replace the whole arm. So that's, you know, like the back bushes and the ball joint is all going to be fresh on it basically.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's literally it's the best way to do these in all honesty.
Thank you.
So it's all like one big component, but you know, like one big wishbone.
Yeah.
Doing the ball joint on its own is pointless on these Fords. But yeah, sound right. I'll get on with it.
Right, you get on with it, and I'm number 5 if
Sound.
you need the bathroom or anything.
No worries. Thank you, Paula,
I
mate.
can't start chatting there all day 'cause I don't get bloody thing done.
Yeah, no worries,
I don't
babe.
want you to get wet. Oh, there's my
Glasses,
glasses.
they're
then.
gone.
That's another thing,
Need
glasses.
the shades, man. Need the shades.
They're, I need them, you know, to see.
Are those
and
the
drive.
reactor ones?
Yeah, reactor
Yeah, I
ones.
like
But
those
look
reactor
at them,
ones.
they're fucked. I can't afford a new pair. They do. I wear them more on my head than on
I'll tell you what,
eyes.
if I get YouTube famous, I can bring you a pair.
Oh,
So don't worry about it. We'll figure it out. But no worries, right? I'll get on with this
I'll
thing.
let you crack on.
No worries, babe.
Because I'm no mechanic.
That's all right. We'll get it done for you.
Jack of all trades and master of none.
Do you know what? That's what I used to be like, to be fair. But no worries. Leave it with me, Paula. We'll get it done. Okay. Is that not the loveliest woman you've ever met in your life? My days, what an absolute diamond she is. She's lovely, isn't she? So anyway, like I said to you, this isn't going to be my full instructional video here, so we'll bang this off. We'll get that off. That looks like that needs a new wheel bolt there by the looks of it, because it's missing one. Because someone obviously didn't have a spare. So, right, let's get on with this. We'll get this wheel off and then we'll take a goosey gander what we got. Holy cow, let's put this light on. Let's have a look at this, people. This is dangerous. Can we get a good view of you? That's what it is. Look at that. That's with the wheel lock on as well. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, so I think we're doing this in the nick of time, really. Obviously, helping this person out. Obviously, that's what I'm trying to do in my life is, you know, just give back to my community a bit. But that's dangerous, man. Yikes. Alright, so let's get this wheel off. Let's get onto it then. We'll get this bloody thing changed out. Absolutely terrifying. Wow. Shocking, guys. That is shocking. Right, okay, have a look how we got this arm. So, obviously, I'm going to quickly show you this. So, the type of ball joint we got, looks like that pinch bolt's actually in alright nick. Obviously, we've got the T55 there, whatever it is. You've got a nut just there, and you've got two back here. I don't know if you can see those, that there. Got to get them off, and then obviously we can bash it out, bash it down, all that good stuff. So I'm going to get on with that, and we'll be right back with you. The nut off. I'm just going to whiz the nut off, because, well, you know, because we can. Get the nut off. It's already loose on the other side, that's helpful, isn't it? There we go. I'm looking forward to seeing what this ball joint's like in a minute. I must say, that's got to be the easiest one of these Ford pinch bolts that I've ever taken out. They normally are a nightmare to get out, so that's a positive, isn't it, people? Sweet, there you go. Normally those are well rusty, but look at that, perfect. Beautiful, because I did try to get another pinch bolt for this, but nowhere had one. So that's a bit of a blessing, really, isn't it? Hey, buddy Harry's got me hammer. He come by mine earlier to grab a hammer. I thought I had a spare hammer in my car, in my tools, but I didn't. How annoying is that? But it's all good. We'll get this off. I ain't got my mat here either, annoyingly, but we've got a copper one. It'll work. It'll work. It's gonna have to work, innit? A bit awkward to hit. There you go. Just like that. I've got to unbuckle that level sensor as well, looking at that. Right, this is not right part. I'm going to take it off anyway, and we're going to go run down to the suppliers and leave this on an axle stand. It's really annoying, isn't it? It's pretty much the exact same arm, just doesn't have that thread, and I don't have anything to put an insert onto that either, so that's a bit annoying, isn't it? But it's all good. We'll ring local suppliers, see what they got. 18mm spanner up here as well. let's try this frickin' thing again. Let's try and get this wrapped up now. Kind of have to come up with a different solution, basically, I've had to for this, because nowhere stocks it. So it is what it is. Right, so if they're doing these brackets here, what a pain in the frickin' arse. So I'm going to come up with a solution to resolve that, which I'm going to have to stick basically a self-tapping screw through that and resolve that frickin' issue. Because nowhere supplies that actual arm with the insert in. Really annoying. So anyway, let's get this out. So we're pretty much there now. I've got all the bolts out, so we're all good. Let's get this out. Obviously, I'm not doing this as a full-on tutorial on this one. Hey, finally. Oh, that's some effort, wasn't it, guys? Oh, that's off. There you go. Look, that one there, that one there. That ball joint is smoked. Smoked. Right, so I'm going to put this new arm in. I'll be back with you. Right, now that's all that talked up, we can move on. Finally, that's that done now. Just got to put the wheel on and then we'll give this back to her and job done. But there you go. Look, brand new suspension arm. A lot of faffing around, but we made it. There we go. Good deed for the day. You know, obviously this lady not got loads of money, did get referred to me, but obviously this one's come out of my pocket. I paid for this to do this job. Just trying to, like I said, try and spread a bit of love back to the community at the end of the day. So let's see how it goes. So let me button this up, give her her keys back, and away she goes. Oh, right. So that's that done. Fine. Shirting. We made it.
It's you. Well, how we did it. Do you want to use the bathroom or anything?
No, I'm all right, babe. But yeah, sorted. The only sorted.
Oh, let me give you 20 quid.
No, it's all good. Everything on me, honestly. Like I said to you before, obviously you spoke to, I can't remember Johnny's missus' name. Jodie. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
It's just a bit of
daughter.
Just trying to, obviously, like I said, just with certain people trying, you know, give a bit back to the community kind of deal.
Oh,
you know,
well, thank you.
And just see how things go, and hopefully. Yeah, no worries, babe. Not a problem. But your main thing is done, so the wheel's not going to come off at least. But yeah.
And I'm Paula.
Yeah, no worries, Paula, babe. But yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah, no
so
worries, man.
kind.
We'll see what else we can do. Like I said, if you know anyone that's like struggling or anything like that, let us know. And I can't do it all the time, obviously, because obviously trying to get the channel to start making some money. Well, but that's something I want to do, hopefully in the future. You know.
I want you to. You're so kind, gentleman.
No worries. I'll try my best.
Have a lovely evening.
No worries. And see you later, Paul.
Yeah, take care.
We'll go for a dance now. No, I'm alright. I don't actually live far from here, to be honest with you.
Where do you live?
You know, up.
Thank you.
No worries, babe. Anytime.
Lovely. Lovely evening.
No worries. You too, Paula. See you later, yeah. Well, that's that job done. Obviously, Pam, she knew what I was doing. She knew I was doing that job for free for her because I got recommended, obviously, as you probably heard earlier in the video. Obviously, she's got a few things going on. At least the last thing she needs is a worry about a ball joint going kaput on her because she's had it before. So, you know, these are things that, if I can, I'll try and help people with. And I do it occasionally anyway. I've got quite a few elderly people that I do little bits for them in my spare time. You know, and it's just good to be good. But hopefully, if the channel starts making money, maybe I can do a few more repairs for people out of obviously just Google paying for it in a sense, I suppose. It's not even anybody, or anybody that wants to help out can help out if that's what they want to do. Obviously, I'll be in mobile like in the UK. Obviously, you've got to tread carefully what you do in roadside. I wouldn't go like pulling an engine out, replacing an engine roadside. But I don't know. Maybe there's things we can do to help people. But anyway, if you like that one, don't forget to like, follow, share, all that good stuff because it is appreciated, and commenting and all that good stuff. We need your help. We need you. Help us grow. We'll see you on the next one.